But I ain't got time for no tardy sleep. I got home with my bed. Everything I can take, I read the me. And I'm already ready for pop quick. Who's scared? Not me, cause I'm a please kid. I'm please guys.
All right, hello everybody. We've got some amazing talent here, and we have a very special person on the phone at this time, Congresswoman Sheila Jackson.
Hello, boys and girls. How are you? You sound wonderful. I may get to see you, but I did want to make sure that I congratulate you. You're going to have the best school day that we have ever seen because of Sante and Associates and Cohap. Let me congratulate Sante and Associates Foundation, Cohap Outreach. I've been all day meeting with people talking about the issues of the city, and I have always emphasized that children and education are the most important element of our service. So boys and girls, I am a member of Congress that's coming home and wants to come home to be your mayor. But I take an airplane to work. But I'm going to come home to be able to see you and to be able to promote you in this city, so this city will be a city for you. And so the backpacks that you're getting is going to give you a good start, but the best start is for you to listen to your family, to make sure that you do good things and that you build your character. And character, what does that mean? That means being good, doing good things. And I know the boys and girls in this room are going to do good. Are you going to do good? Yeah! So let me, on behalf of the United States Congress, congratulate Sante and Associates for helping our children. Thank you, Cohap Outreach, for helping as well. Let us make our children not our tomorrows, but our todays, and always stand by them, because if we stand by them, great things will happen. God bless all of you. And God bless the United States of America.
And in addition, we want to ask Cohap and also Sante and Associates to come forward. We have a special presentation of a congressional commendation to both of you. Thank you again on behalf of Congresswoman Sheila Jackson for your service and for making this happen. Let's just give them a round of applause. We thank you so much for your service and all you do for the community. And as the Congresswoman said, you are certainly deserving of the respect, the admiration, and the commendation of the United States Congress. So I present these commendations to you on behalf of our Congresswoman who represents the 18th Congressional District, Congresswoman Sheila Jackson Lee. There we go. Now let's give them one more hand.
Big smile with a picture. They all said cheese together. Cheese. Big smile. Cheese. Everyone smile. We're smiling together. Thank you, Ms. Owen here for coming out with Ms. Jackson.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Millie Edwards, and I'm the Resident Service Coordinator for Rainbow Housing Assistance Corporation. And we have humbly and graciously partnered up with Sweetwater Point Apartments. This beautiful young lady you see here in the picture, her name is Miss Melina Albert. She is Sweetwater Point Property Manager. I really cannot. I don't want to forget Rainbow Housing. I don't want to forget Sweetwater Point Apartments because, ladies and gentlemen, we're in their home. We're in their house. And I just want to say thank you for welcoming us. Thank you for letting us entertain and bring something beautiful today. And thank you for bringing something beautiful again to Sweetwater and to Rainbow. It is the most beautiful thing to be a part of something greater than ourselves.